Awulo captain oyibekayo. Captain under 17 ufuna uba captain nakwi senior team. Let's go the Bees, asibatinyeleni bafana. It's the Bees versus Triple S today. The boys are getting ready to kill as they normally do. We want these 3 points, gents. We want these 3 points. It's compulsory. It's a must-win game. Let's go for a kill, boys. Sebabona bangakwazi ukudansa Vandag. Marambani wenzani? Marambani wenzani? Ah, wenzani left wing manje? You guys are quiet and then ubiza i-1 hayi man. Sakile, in one of the comments. Yes, I drive. Sakile. Marusakile Jehova ngcwele sikole noma thatha njani serious othisha wena. Ubusani usakhile. Shuka usakhila kayeko fethu akayeko straight. Ish. Duduzo siyanda siyakuza fethu hayi uzo retire when we got a proper replacement. For now Sase on is Sakala when Duduzo siyanda. Sakar, we need the replacement first, a proper one. Nice one, chance. Ice poop. Funa ngathi ungakwazi ukujiva wejama la.
Okay. Hey. Dùng thế là ngọt phá hạt thôi. Yes.
Busani.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Wekanyi. Kayiso. Ungabona amawala enziwe ubusani mbuka. Amawala. Angeke busani. Usezayoni wena. Oh, cellular, high when a cellular high, cellular, high when a cellular high when a. Haven't been my cones.
Two way to left, that left.
Ha. Uyayakaza.
Wale! Thula ngizwa wani. Angizwa wani yini.
Nithule madoda.
Lenza muqa. Wale! Wale!
Qapash.
2 3 4
Ha. Siyababona bangakwazi ukulokhuza. Siyababona bangakwazi uku
3
Nimemeza uwani kuphela animimemeze ezinye.
2
Hey, yaweza madoda. Hawu Zuzu. Let's go. The peace. Face the camera. Bani kamala alungile qilish. Face camera. Face camera number 6. Face camera number 6. Busan Magwas. Face camera. Mina enhle tjani. Yini nibabe nisabe camera. Sho. Aphiwe mtshana.
Cross molo.
Zishoot uba. Uba.
Bandazi.
Ukhaya Ncili. Bandazi ukhaya Ncili.
Jezi Trilo. Uyasebenza
Umshishi playmaker. Charlie number 15.
Yes, sir.
Igama nesibongo bakwazi ukuthi ubani.
Ugama. Wansala sibongo.
Jama Wansela.
Yes.
Okay. Jezi number 10 we team. Igama nesibongo.
Sandile Xulu.
Sandile Xulu uXabash. Siyabonga. Bano ngavela marambani. Woza marambani. Woza mapopana. Face camera ikwazi bakwazi abalandeli bethu. Face camera number 2.
Awumtshunye phela.
Yeah, igama nesibongo bekwazi.
Mina ngokalokhushana, utasingana namazini lokhusha.
Hey, oluhlanya lo. Ba omunye umjephoni. Number 4 we team destroy.
Sekhona.
Yeah. Number 4 igama nesibongo bekwazi abalandeli bethu.
Umjeff Mpungosi.
Jeff Mpungosi. Bano shodini. Uphu kanye. How? Okay. Nangu kubaba la ekhaya.
Come.
Goalkeeper wethu. Goalkeeper the oldest and the eldest. Nangu igama nesibongo bekwazi abalandeli bethu.
Uzubhizi kakhulu.
Woza usakhile Ntombela. Nangu number 7 wethu. Our center back uyelo make a shot as concede. Igama nesibongo. Magwaza Nkanyisa. Shange Coxelish. Shange new boot. Sabonga bafethu.
Itashi 1 or 2. 1. Why Dali 1? Why Dali 1 my Fuma Mari 2 charge? Sharp, Maramba. Yes, Cosmo, sharp. Yes. Cosmo, yeah. Man. Yes. Gue faktanya anak ada fokus. Gue faktanya anak ada fokus. Bukan. Yang mesti ngapain boleh jalan. Yes, bagasan. Yes. Bani, toli bola wanda bai tu. Bani. Baga party. Yes. Samara. Man, we are please. Mau jam. Bangang ni dapat bola mana? Bola kani. Bola kani. Bukan. Yes. Ya. Saita. Chama. Chama.
Nice one, Chama.
I win.
One, Jeff.
Good, check. Yes. Let.
Yes.
Good, yes, good. Man, vai passa. Yeah. Yes.
Susu. One.
Puma good. Boa, você amarra. Yes. Yes. Sorry. What? Yes. Okay. Yes.
One.
Yeah.
Yes. Nanti. Pasha.
Ucap. Yes, Bumi.
Chama.
Pesan. Yes. Ya.
Ucap. Kaya.
Yes, Bumi. Bumi. Simak teman kita.
Chama.
Wah.
Ucap.
Siap. Dari Maramba. Siap.
Puso. Jeff. X. Come on. X. Come on. Rapan. Rapan. X. Fire. Siapa? Rapan. Siapa? X.
Uphelile umdlalo Machid. Yeah. We need to go behind Eternal. Yeah, ufike now. Jeff. Bambala. Yes. Sandel. Yes, my name is Mngatis Ndlovu. I'm the head coach of I'm the manager of Itepies FC. Today we are playing against Triple S. Hopefully we're going to win the game. The strategy and the approach towards the game is very strategic. It's very clever. We used a lot of intelligence because we are lacking our main striker, Umruti. So we're going to play without a striker today, like Manchester City does. We want to apply something new and see how it's gonna go. But hopefully we're gonna obtain the maximum results, which is the 3 points that we're looking for. We're on a mission to win all the remaining games. We are the affiliates of Pelindaba Football Association. We in position number 2 behind Jacaranda, that is leading the log at the moment. We have like 3 games including this one left. So yeah, we're not gonna take the title this season. Congratulations to Jacaranda obviously, but we want to maintain our number 2 and make sure that we keep it as a motivation for the next season. And we're also looking forward to the tournament that's gonna happen, which we want to definitely take home. So I think that's gonna console our hearts. But for today then, we're gonna go, yeah, as you hear our supporters are rallying us. We're gonna go and obviously try and win the game against Triple S and make sure that we still on the right track to win all the games that are remaining. Thank you.